Assalamu alaikum dear students. Assalamu alaikum. And today our topic is unit number 5, exercise 5.1 we were solving, and the unit's name is factorization. We have studied the fourth type of factorization in this unit so far, and the first type of factorization is to take common from the whole expression. We did in question number 1, and in the type 2 we take common from in the expression by arranging the term from any two terms, first two terms and last two terms. In the third term we will factorize the algebraic expression by completing square, either using identity a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. In the fourth type we use the formula a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. I hope all of you understand this concept. And in the fourth part we were solving we were combining the steps, we were combining the factorization of type number 3 and 4. I'll write here. Before solving this, I'm going to write the types of factorization we have studied so far and solve the questions. Type number 1, taking common from whole expression, जिसमें पूरे एक्सप्रेशन में कोई 1 2 3 नंबर कॉमन थे, मस्ट टेकिंग कॉमन फ्रॉम whole expression. It was our first type of factorization. Type number 2 of factorization I'll mention, taking common you may say by parts after rearranging. If necessary, अगर ये नेसेसरी हो कि आपको रीअरेंज करना है तभी आप उसको अरेंज करके आपने फैक्टराइज किया. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आई विल आल्सो मार्क क्वेश्चन हेयर. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 5.1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एक्सरसाइज 5.1. इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, टाइप नंबर 3, making a complete square, completing square using identities of identity. First was a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b whole square. हमें 3 टर्म्स गिवन थी एक्सप्रेशन की, जिसमें हम a b को आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद फॉर्मूला क्लोज कर रहे थे. एंड a माइनस b होल स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर minus 2ab plus b square. And type 4 you have recently studied in my last lesson. Type number 4, by using identities a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. And now in question number 5, using factorization of type 3 first and then 4. Okay, and we were at question number 4. Question number 4 we have to solve its fourth part today. X square minus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 3. Students, it is a very unique kind of question because it has a trick in it. We will not able to solve it if we not use that trick. Say this, I have first used type 1. It means I have to find the a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, which is not yet possible. If I'll take x को as a square समझूं, then I have no such a number जिसे मैं b square कह सकूं, which 2ab can be are given to me. But in this question you have to use that trick. You will use this 3. First of all, see this 3, we not need an expression 3 is a not perfect square of any number. So we will use change this 3 into a number in which we can write a square of itself. See this, if I'll write in the solution x square minus y square minus 4x minus 2y. If I'll write 3 equal 4 minus 1. Student, this is the trick in this question, this question cannot be solved from another way. You will just remind that the type of factorization in which 4 terms are given. You need to complete the formula of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Remember that trick, that 3 can be written as 4 minus 1. After writing 3 equal 4 minus 1, this question would be easy for us to solve. How we will solve this? We will use our 4 and 1 to make some complete square. Let's see what can I do here. X square minus 4x will join with 4 minus y square minus 2y will join minus 1. Students, this is a trick. You have to remember that, and this question cannot be solved from other method other than this trick. Remember this tree. This is the only unique question of this exercise. You have to understand its logic, that if whenever 3 appears in the factorization in the last term, you will write it as 4 minus 1. Students, we cannot write, most of you will say कि हम 3 को जो है 2 plus 1 भी लिख सकते थे, but not. We cannot write it is equal to 2 plus 1 because 2 is not the perfect square of any number and 1 is the perfect square of itself, but we need two numbers which are the square of itself. 4 is the perfect square of 2 and 1 is the perfect square of itself, because here if I write 3 equal 2 plus 1, 2 will be wrong, 1 will be correct. If you say कि मैं 3 को मैंने 5 minus 2 क्यों नहीं लिखा, तो यहाँ भी 5 wrong कि 5 किसी नंबर का perfect square नहीं है. So you will write 3 as 4 minus 1 because 4 and 1 are the perfect square of the number. Now see this, x square minus 4x plus 4, x square minus 4x plus 4, I will use bracket for it and take minus common from last three terms. I have y square plus 2y plus 1. Okay, student, must remember that trick. You will write 3 as 4 minus 1, 4 will be join x family and 1 minus 1 will join y family. Now see this, x square minus 4x plus 4, this is the complete formula of, we will use type number 3 here and find a whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square form हमें given है. We will make close it. X whole can be written as x whole square, 4 can be written as 2 whole square, plus minus 4x can be written as minus 2 into x into 2. देख लें, x can be written as x whole square, 4 can be written as 2 whole square, and minus 4x can be written as minus 2a into b. A is x and b is 2. We have understand that this type of factorization in question number 3 in detail. Now minus into y square can be written as y whole square, 1 can be written as 1 whole square, this is rough work, 1 can be written as 1 whole square plus 2y can be written as 2 into y into 1 plus a square plus b square plus 2a into b. Now closing these formulas, a is x, b is 2, it is x minus 2 whole square, because here is minus, so this is the formula of x minus 2 whole square, and it is the formula of y plus 1 whole square. So this is again, I will now type number 4, a square minus b square form. One time I will add it and one time subtract. We have studied this type of factorization in question number 4 with detail. Now a square minus b square form it is, we will add this first time and subtract. x minus 2, ये सारा a है और ये सारा b है, a plus b into a minus b, one time add and one time subtract. First number a plus b, a minus b, solve it. X minus 2 plus y plus 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 1 into x minus 2 minus plus minus y minus plus minus 1. Further it is simplifying, x plus y minus 2 plus 1 equal minus 1, x minus y minus 2 and minus 1 equal minus 3. So this is the factorized form of this expression. We have used the term factorization in this question especially. It is most important question. Students, you need to watch this video and this question again and again. If you not better understand, I will explain it you again. What we need to do, see this 3 is not perfect square of any number. You will break it as 4 minus 1. For then 4 will join with x square minus 4x plus 4, and minus 1 will join minus y square minus 2y minus 1. So finally we factorize this x plus y minus 1. Again I am going to explain this x square minus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 3. Students, write 3 as equal 4 minus 1. 4 will join x family, x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 4 minus y minus 2y. Minus 1 will join y family, and x square minus 4x plus 4, write it in a bracket and take minus common from last 3 terms. They are all negative sign. If we take negative common, the sign of the whole expression change. They were all negative, they become positive. And x square minus 4x plus 4, we use type number 3, in which we'll find a square plus 2ab plus b square identity. See this, x can be written as x whole square, 4 can be written as 2 whole square. We identify a square plus b square, and the number inside will be minus 2ab or plus 2ab. If there appear minus, it is minus 2ab. Similarly here, y square can be written as y whole square, 1 can be written as 1 whole square. I identify a and b and write 2ab as 2 into y into 1. Closing this formula, I have x minus 2 whole square and minus y minus 1 here square. Here I will use type number 4 of factorization, in which a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b, x minus 2 and minus y plus 1 whole square. This is a minus this is whole b. A mean x minus 2 plus b mean y plus 1. A x minus 2 minus b mean y plus 1. Solve it. Y plus 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 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and x plus y minus 1, and x minus y minus 2 and minus 1 equal minus 3. This is the factorized form of this expression, x square minus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 3. In the fifth part, we have fifth and sixth part are simple as you do question number 1, 2, 3. In the fifth part, see the statement. We have 25x square minus 10x plus 1 minus 36z square. Student, we not have to use any trick here. Simply find a formula. I can observe that 25x square minus 10x plus 1. I will take it and write in the solution that 25 is the perfect square of 5. It means if I multiply 5 with 5, I'll get the result 25, and x square is the perfect square of x. So 25x square can be written as 5x whole square, plus 1 can be written as 1 whole square. 1 is the square of itself, and this minus 10x will be minus 2 into 5x into 1. So see this, a square plus b square minus 2a into b, and this minus 36z square can be written as 6z whole square. Now closing this formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, we have 5x minus 1 whole square and minus 6z whole square. This is the type a square minus b square. A is 5x minus 1, b is 6z whole square. 1 time plus into 1 time minus. It is simple. 5x minus 1 minus 6z, 5x minus 1 plus 6z. See this again. I will take 5x 25x square as 5x whole square, 1 as 1 whole square, and the term between will be the result of minus 2a into b minus 10x minus 36z square can be written as 6z whole square. This whole expression will become the formula 5x minus 1 whole square and 6z whole square, 1 time minus and 1 time plus. This is the answer. And the sixth part is, in the sixth part we have x square minus y square minus 4xz plus 4z square. See this, x square is a square. If I'll take a square formula ही होता है ना, a plus b whole square equal a square plus b square plus 2ab, or here sometime appear minus. So y square cannot be taken as b square because a square plus b square have always positive sign. So in this solution of this question, I will take x as a square, 4z square as b square, minus 4xz as 2ab, and minus y square at the end. Now see, this is x square yani a square plus 4z square can be written as 2z whole square, and what is this? It will be minus 2a into b. Multiply them, 2 into 2 4, x into z, xz minus 4xz minus y square. Closing this formula, we have x minus 2z whole square minus y square can be written as y whole square. Again I have a square minus b square form, so I will add one time and subtract one time. X minus 2z plus y, x minus 2z minus y. This is the factorized form of the expression. Students, question number 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6 were simple, in which you easily find a whole square, and then b square form you use the identity a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. The only typical question was the part number 4, in which I have explained you with detail how will you write 3 as 4 minus 1, and do the next and solve the next parts of it. Students, this question number 4, 3 and 5, especially question number 4, is a bit more tricky, and you need to practice all of them. So I am not going to continue it further, and you need to complete this exercise 5.1, understand the type 1, 2, 3, 4, and in question number 5 where we have used type number 3 and 4 as well. I think that's enough for today. Students, you need to do practice of it, as these questions are lengthy and they containing so much concept. I want all of you to do the practice of question number 5, 4 and 3 again, and your homework will be you need to show me the practice work. Practice of question number 5, part number 1 to 6 is your task, and you need to complete it now. If we have time in this lesson, I advise all of you to do the practice of question number 5 again, and you will show me the pics of this practice question. And that's enough for today. Inshallah, in the next lesson we will continue with exercise 5.2. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.